Hello and welcome back to Auto Nova, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in automotive innovations, reviews, and industry insights. Today, we are diving into the world of electric commercial vehicles and taking an in-depth look at the highly anticipated 2026 BYD T3 van, the next generation model that promises to revolutionize urban logistics and small business transportation. If you are someone interested in electric vehicles, commercial vans, or just want to stay ahead of automotive trends, then this video is for you. Make sure you stick around until the end because we will cover every detail about this van, from its exterior design, interior features, performance specs, technology, and why it could be a game changer for city-based businesses. Let's start with the design and exterior of the 2026 BYD T3. The first thing you notice is its modern and sleek look, moving away from the traditional boxy designs that most cargo vans have had in the past. The T3 carries a premium lush shiny red color that immediately gives it a contemporary feel. But it's not just about color. The front grille design has been meticulously reworked to provide a bold and stylish front profile, giving the van a distinct presence on the road. The unique silver rims complement the paint perfectly, adding an element of sophistication while maintaining a professional appearance. Whether you are using this van for business deliveries or as a fleet vehicle, the T3 is designed to look sharp and modern in any urban environment. One of the most appealing aspects of the BYD T3 is its urban-friendly size. It is compact enough to maneuver through crowded city streets and tight parking areas, yet it doesn't compromise on cargo space. The van features a practical rear loading area with sliding side doors and wide-opening rear doors, making loading and unloading efficient, fast, and safe. Its design is very thoughtful for businesses that require quick access to goods and packages throughout the day. Moving on to the interior, the 2026 BYD T3 has been designed with driver comfort and functionality in mind. The cabin is spacious, with high-quality materials such as premium black leather with silver accents, giving it a modern and professional vibe. The driver's seat interior view shows a well-organized dashboard with a digital instrument cluster, center console infotainment system, and easy-to-reach controls that make every drive smooth and intuitive. One of the standout features is the ergonomic design of the steering wheel and seating, ensuring that drivers remain comfortable during long working hours. The inclusion of ambient lighting and thoughtful placement of controls enhances the premium feel of the cabin. This van is not just functional, it is designed to be an enjoyable driving experience for business owners and fleet drivers alike. In terms of performance, the BYD T3 2026 is powered by an efficient electric motor delivering approximately 100 kilowatts or 134 horsepower, with a torque output of 180 Nm. This setup allows the van to accelerate smoothly in city traffic, providing the kind of response that is ideal for urban logistics. Its electric drivetrain also means significantly lower maintenance costs compared to traditional internal combustion vans, with no need for oil changes and fewer moving parts to worry about. The van can reach a top speed of around 100 km per hour, which is sufficient for city and suburban driving where it is expected to operate most of the time. The heart of the van lies in its battery system. The BYD T3 is equipped with a Blade lithium iron phosphate battery ranging from 44.9 to 50.3 kWh depending on the variant. This allows for a range of up to 300 km per full charge, which is more than enough for daily urban deliveries. Charging is flexible. It supports both AC home or depot charging and DC fast charging, which can be a huge time saver for commercial operations that require quick turnaround between deliveries. This combination of range, battery efficiency, and charging flexibility makes the T3 a highly practical vehicle for modern city logistics. Another highlight is the cargo space and payload capacity. With a volume of 3.5 to 3.8 cubic meters and a payload capacity of approximately 780 kilograms, this van strikes a balance between compact size and functional utility. It can carry a variety of goods, from parcels and groceries to small equipment or tools for service-based businesses. The van's flat cargo floor and easy access doors make loading and unloading quick and hassle-free, which is essential for maximizing efficiency in a commercial setting. When it comes to technology, the BYD T3 2026 doesn't disappoint. The infotainment system offers navigation, connectivity options, and vehicle monitoring features, while safety is enhanced by a series of driver assistance technologies. These include parking sensors, a rear-view camera, and advanced braking systems to ensure safety during urban operations. For business owners managing a fleet, these features are particularly useful because they reduce the risk of accidents and can improve overall operational efficiency. The environmental impact is another significant advantage of the T3. Being fully electric, it produces zero tailpipe emissions, which is critical for businesses operating in cities that are increasingly focused on reducing air pollution. The van's quiet operation also makes it suitable for early morning or late night deliveries without disturbing residents. By adopting an electric van like the BYD T3, businesses can not only save on fuel costs but also contribute positively to their corporate social responsibility initiatives. Now, let's talk about practical ownership considerations. The BYD T3 is ideal for urban environments, but business owners should assess their daily operational requirements. For example, if your delivery routes regularly exceed 300 kilometers, planning for midday charging might be necessary. Similarly, ensuring access to reliable charging infrastructure is crucial to maximize efficiency. Maintenance is simpler compared to diesel vans, but you should still consider local availability of service centers or qualified technicians who can work with electric drivetrains. For regions like Pakistan, where EV infrastructure is still developing, these factors are key to a smooth ownership experience. The design philosophy of the 2026 BYD T3 clearly shows that BYD has learned from the needs of urban delivery businesses. Compact dimensions, modern aesthetics, driver comfort, efficient electric performance, and ample cargo space all come together in one versatile package. It's a vehicle that doesn't just move goods. It makes urban delivery operations more efficient, eco-friendly, and cost-effective. Whether you are a small business owner, a courier service, or an entrepreneur looking to electrify your fleet, the T3 offers a compelling value proposition. In conclusion, the 2026 BYD T3 van is more than just an electric vehicle. It represents the future of urban commercial transportation. Its premium design, advanced technology, comfortable interior, and practical electric drivetrain make it an excellent choice for businesses looking to embrace sustainability without compromising on performance or functionality. With the T3, BYD has created a vehicle that is ready to meet the demands of modern city logistics while also offering a premium feel that sets it apart from conventional vans. If you are interested in eco-friendly, reliable, and technologically advanced commercial vehicles, the 2026 BYD T3 is definitely worth considering. From its striking exterior and functional cargo area to the comfortable driver-focused cabin and efficient electric performance, this van checks all the boxes for modern urban operations. Whether you are planning to replace older diesel vans or are looking to start a new delivery business with a sustainable fleet, the BYD T3 offers practicality, efficiency, and a premium touch that makes it stand out in the growing electric commercial vehicle market. That's it for today's video on the 2026 BYD T3 van. I hope this detailed overview gives you all the insights you need about this next-generation electric van. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoNova for more updates on the latest vehicles and industry trends. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update, and leave a comment below letting us know what you think about the BYD T3 and whether you would consider it for your business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more exciting automotive content from AutoNova.